Do you want to turn off YouTube restricted mode? We're here to help. I'm Ramona, and in this video, I will show you how to turn off YouTube restricted mode. Let's not waste time and get started. Go to YouTube and sign into your YouTube account if you haven't already done. Click on your profile picture on the top right side next to the bell icon, then select restricted mode. To turn off YouTube restricted mode, click on the switch button. That's all. You have successfully turned off YouTube restricted mode. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Let's Not Waste Time. For more useful YouTube tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of YouTube tutorials. I'll see you there.